Consolidation news, tips on sales talent recruitment, Applied's latest figures, and upcoming education and e-commerce. All this and more in today's installment of the Industrial Distribution Video Market Report. Let's kick off with a quick recap of this week's consolidation activity. Production Tool Supply has acquired NNT Corporation of Itasca, Illinois, one of the premier industrial distributorships in the metropolitan Chicago area. NNT provides an extensive range of products and services, including carbide and HSS cutting tools, tool holders and fixtures, industrial pumps, cutting fluids and lubricants, and industrial supplies. Motion and Flow Control Products, distributor of fluid connectors, fluid power equipment, instrumentation products, and seals, announced it has acquired the assets of Hydraulic Energy Products Incorporated, or HEP, to enhance its hydraulic repair capabilities in the Colorado market and surrounding states. HEP, located in the Denver area, specializes in the repair of hydraulic pumps, motors, valves, and cylinders for municipalities, railroads, and industrial applications.
Win Wholesale has obtained a majority interest in a new partnership with Car Supply and Car Supply of Michigan. Car Supply is a Columbus, Ohio-based wholesale distributor of plumbing, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning supplies and equipment. Columbus Fastener, which distributes fasteners, construction materials, and industrial supplies, will become a wholly owned subsidiary of Bostwick Braun, a wholesale hardware distributor and industrial supplier based in Toledo, Ohio. Columbus Fastener, which has been in business for more than 40 years, has 2 sites in Columbus and 1 in Cincinnati. Finally, Reliance Steel and Aluminum and Metals USA Holdings announced a definitive merger agreement whereby Reliance will acquire all outstanding shares of Metals USA pending shareholder approval. Reliance plans to operate Metals USA under its current brand names.
This past week, several hundred distribution and wholesale company executives, consultants, and service providers met at the Fairmont, Washington for NAW's annual Executive Summit. Several strong presentations on industry metrics and trends took participants through solutions-based content centered around their top concerns. One panel, featuring the likes of 2012 NAW Chairman Mark Kramer, CEO of Laird Plastics, as well as Scott Hudson of sales potential and performance measurement firm Chally Group Worldwide, discussed what distributors could and should be doing to protect their most important assets, their sales talent. According to Hudson, forces shaping the future workplace, such as mobile technology and connectivity, as well as shifting workplace demographics and globalization, will create new challenges for distributors, especially considering a distribution sales force could serve as a company's only competitive advantage in a changing market. Hudson suggests that instead of spending time waiting for sales stars, look for above-average candidates with low probability of failure. Hudson also stresses how traditional methods of selection don't always account for the need to eliminate those who will make critical mistakes. Recently, the NAW announced a strategic alliance with Chally Group Worldwide. Together, the two organizations will assist wholesaler distributors to leverage best-in-class processes, tools, and resources to ensure that distributors have the best sales and leadership talent.
After celebrating its 90th birthday in recent weeks, Applied Industrial announced reported second quarter fiscal 2013 sales and earnings, citing a 10% increase in quarterly dividend and a 29% increase in net income for the quarter. Applied's Chief Executive Officer, Neil A. Shrimshire, commented on the results, saying, "At the midpoint of our fiscal year and given the current economic environment, we are now projecting earnings per share to be in the range of $2.70 to $2.90 on revenue growth expectations of 4 to 7%. For a more detailed analysis on Applied, make sure to check out Jack Keogh's column, A Closer Look with Jack Keogh, in our March-April print issue.
And speaking of sales growth, we hope you can join us on February 27th for a free educational webinar titled Winning the Web Wars, Strategies for Online Sales Growth. This event will feature business growth strategist Dr. Curtis Alexander, as well as Jay Johnson from Texas A&M's University of Industrial Distribution. Our panel will walk our audience through strategies that blend face-to-face selling with e-commerce, as well as steps they need to take in order to compete. You can register on our website or via our e-newsletter, Today in Industrial Distribution.
That's all for today. You can find more late and breaking distributor-focused information on the web at www.inddist.com. And if you have any ideas for future topics for us to cover, please leave your comments below. Stay informed, stay classy, stay with IDtv. From all of us here at Industrial Distribution, thanks for watching.